What's up, guys? It's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new Acoustica video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we're going to take a look at noise reduction, and we'll be seeing the different ways we can remove noise from a recording in Acoustica. Let's get right into this. So I have this recording here with some fan noise, and I'll play this for you to listen. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. I have a standing fan next to my laptop which is on, which is producing some static broadband noise, and we're going to see if we can remove this from the recording. So we have fan noise in this recording, and we'll just see how we can remove this. We also have some outside noise of some cars and some horns, and we'll see if this will go also. So there are different ways to do this in Acoustica. The first and fastest way you can do this is highlight the audio and go to enhancement and click automatic DeNoise. So what this will do is it will first analyze the whole audio signal and try to automatically get the noise profile. So instead of you generating the noise profile by yourself, it will generate the noise profile for you. So it goes through the whole audio and tries to find the noise profile and creates a noise profile for you. So let's listen to what we have here. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. I have a standing fan next to my, and this already sounds good by default. Let's solo the noise and let's listen to what it's generated as the noise profile. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. So it picked up some of my voice artifacts there, but this is already a good result in my opinion. So I'm recording into my laptop mic, better than what we had before. So I'm recording into my laptop mic. Yeah, so let's go through some of the options before we process this and talk more about the DeNoise module in Acoustica. So you can pick your presets from here, and you have two types of noise reduction in Acoustica. You have static noise reduction and you have adaptive noise reduction. So static noise reduction uses a noise profile that Acoustica needs to learn, that the plugin needs to learn first before applying the noise. So a noise profile is somewhere in your recording where the noise plays alone, like the end of this recording or the beginning of this recording, where we have just the noise playing. Yeah, that's a noise profile. That's a noise profile. So you also have a dynamic noise profile. And what this means is noise can increase or decrease over time, and dynamic noise profile just tries to take that into consideration and apply your noise reduction with that consideration in mind. So another type of noise reduction you have here is adaptive. So this has two noise types, broadband and combined. So broadband just means like static noise, like a fan noise, wind noise, and combined includes tonal noise. So noise with a pitch or a distinct tone, maybe like a buzz sound. That's a tonal noise. So the combined includes both broadband and tonal noise. So you choose which depending on the type of noise you are getting. So the adaptive noise tries to look at noise throughout the whole recording. It doesn't just pick one noise profile and uses that. It goes through the whole recording and changes depending on the type of noise it detects. So this uses some sort of deep learning for that. So let's listen to this with the adaptive mode on and let's see the difference. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my adaptation time is just the amount of time it takes for the noise to react to the noise floor. That's to react to the amount of noise. So if you increase this, it will take a long time. So you want to put this around 1 second for dialogue, which is the best recommendation from Acoustica. And you might want to increase this for noise in music. So we have other things here. We have reduction. This is the amount of noise reduction you can do. You have soft knee. And if you put this up, it makes the transition between noise and actual dialogue or actual music softer or harsher. And you have maximum attenuation, and this is just like what you use to control the noise floor after processing, and you have reaction time. So the faster reaction time gives a cleaner noise reduction, but you might still have some noise in your recording. So you have mid-side mode, and what this works for is stereo recording. So what this mid-side mode does is it takes your left and your right channel, combines it into a mono recording, removes the noise, and separates it back into stereo. So that's a really cool addition to DeNoise too, and that's really cool. So you have an emphasis knob, which is just like a shelf EQ you can use to control your noise profile. So that's what this is here. So you can reduce the amount of noise you want to reduce on the low end, and you might want to focus on the high end. So just pull this down. And yeah, those are all the options you have in the DeNoise plugin. So let's see if we can get noise profile manually. I'm going to select this part of the recording, and I'm just going to learn. And that's how you generate a noise profile. So that's my noise profile there. And I can just select the whole audio recording and listen to this. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. So I can process this, or I can use the plugin in the processing chain. I can go to enhancement and DeNoise and also do the same process from here. So that's how you can do this, but this doesn't do the automatic noise profile thing like the option here does. So you have to learn your noise profile or use the adaptive mode. So let's go back to, let's remove this. So you also have options to analyze the noise and not apply the noise reduction, or you can go to DeNoise and pull up the noise reduction plugin if you want to do this on the audio directly without using the processing chain. But let's do automatic noise reduction again, and we have a profile here, and let's listen to this. So I'm recording into my, so I want to solo this so I can reduce the artifacts. I have the standing fan next to my laptop, which is on, which is producing static broadband noise. We can remove this from the recording. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. I have the standing fan next to my laptop, which is on, which is producing static broadband noise. We can remove this from the recording. So I think I like what I'm hearing here. Let's also listen to this without the solo noise, so we actually listen to what we are removing. So let's play this. So I'm recording into my laptop mic. So that's not very effective. I might want to increase the reduction. I have a standing fan next to my laptop. So I like this, which is producing some static broadband noise. And we're going to see if we can remove this from the recording. So let's see how the adaptive noise sounds. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. I have a standing fan next to my laptop. So I think I'll just go with the automatic noise profile detection. Let's do that again. Let's go to automatic DeNoise and let's play this. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. I have a standing fan next to my laptop, which is on, which is producing some static broadband noise. And we're going to see if we can remove this from the recording. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. I have a standing fan next to my laptop, which is on, which is producing some static broadband noise. So let's process this and let's apply this to our recording. So we have a cleaner recording here. So I'm recording into my laptop mic and my fan is on. So that's how you do noise reduction in Acoustica. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.